Hey, it's Brian Winters here to welcome you to 5 Figure Day Full Throttle and to, of course, show you how to start making leads and commissions with 5 Figure Day as quickly as today. Now, 5 Figure Day Full Throttle is a brand new rebuild of my most powerful online viral income system ever, the original 5 Figure Day. Now, we've rebuilt everything from the ground up and made it even more powerful and even easier to make money with than even the original. And a lot of people had success with the original, as you maybe saw by just a small sampling of the testimonials on our sales page. I personally set up a member account of my own, 5 Figure Day member account, exactly the same as members receive, and brought in over 20,000 leads on autopilot with countless thousands of dollars in commissions. And that was just me testing the system, to make sure everything was working for members. So the system is already proven to work like crazy, and 5 Figure Day Full Throttle has been rebuilt, as I say, to be even more effective. So that being said, let's dive in and get you started. And don't worry, this video won't be very long, because it simply doesn't need to be very long based on how simple that we've made things for you. Now, you see below this video here on your member homepage that you have 5 special 5 Figure Day web funnels that are all set to go, aside from entering your affiliate link for any one of the funnels or all of them that you want to get started with. Entering your affiliate link only applies, by the way, if you're a VIP member, upgraded member. If you're a light, aka free version member, then you're already set to go and can skip this particular setup step altogether. In other words, there is 0 required setup if you're a free version member. Now, this is a screenshot right here of the first page of each of your funnels. You'll see screenshots of each of your funnels just so you can see what the funnel looks like at a glance. And this is the link right here to your live funnel, live and fully hosted. And this is the link, these links are the links that you want to start sharing with other people online. And I'll get how doing so leads to your autopilot leads and commissions in a minute. And then to enter and save your affiliate link for each offer, you'll simply want to click the setup button here, in the case of each funnel, or in the case of the one you want to get started with. And again, this setup only applies if you're a VIP member, not a free version member. Now, on the window that pops up, you just read and follow the given steps to first retrieve your affiliate link and then enter and save your affiliate link. Now, all 5 of your 5 Figure Day funnels have Warrior Plus products built in, simply meaning that you're going to be paid directly into your warriorplus.com account. That's where all your money is going to come into. Now, if you don't yet have a warriorplus.com account, you can open one for free at warriorplus.com prior to retrieving your affiliate links. And so then you log into your new account after you've created it, your new Warrior Plus account, and then proceed with retrieving and entering and saving your affiliate links. Now, each affiliate link requires approval by us, but don't worry, we will approve you, guaranteed 100% of the time, and we go through and do approvals at least once per day, just as our normal routine. So you'll be approved fairly quickly, but if for some reason after 48 hours you have not been approved for any particular affiliate link that you've requested, you can submit a support ticket at that point to request approval, but please don't do so unless for some reason we missed you and you've waited like 48 hours to get approval. Now, it should be noted that I'm creating this training video well before we launch, so there are some elements yet to be added to the member area. One of those elements that we're not quite finished with is the ability to connect each of your 5 Figure Day funnels to your own autoresponder. And this can be done both by light, aka free version members, and of course VIP members. This is an optional step. It's not a required setup step. So you can actually start getting leads and making money with 5 Figure Day even without doing this step, in other words. But by the time you've joined 5 Figure Day, obviously after we launch, you'll also see the option to connect each of your funnels to your own autoresponder service. Now, by default, all leads are automatically stored in a file that you can download here on your member homepage, on the autoresponder page here. And you can download this file and access all of your email addresses, all of the email addresses you received through your 5 Figure Day funnels that way. And then you can import them into an autoresponder service of choice, just manually import them through your autoresponder's import system or service. Or, you could contact people through a free Gmail account. depending on the volume of leads that you have at any given point. But optionally, connecting to your own autoresponder service will send all of the leads you get automatically from your 5-figure day funnels straight into your autoresponder account, so that you can contact the email list that 5-figure day grows for you or builds for you from within your own autoresponder account. And that is literally it for setup. The only required setup is to retrieve and enter your affiliate links for each of the 5 funnels if you're a VIP member. And you don't have to even do all 5 at once. As I kind of alluded to, you could set up one funnel, the one you plan to make money with first, and then do the others later. And once again, I just want to reiterate this setup. That particular setup step only applies to VIP members. And then the other optional setup step, just to summarize here what we just discussed, is connecting your 5-figure day funnels of choice to your own autoresponder account, such as Aweber, GetResponse, or any of the other autoresponder services that we support. Now, one quick note to free members: how do you make money if you can't add your affiliate links to each funnel? Well, the answer is super simple. You'll still be able to absolutely generate leads and build an email list as a free version member. I make a ton of money with my email list alone, just by blasting out affiliate offers of my choice to my email subscribers. And I typically make around $10,000 per month with my email list alone. So that's how you make money as a free version member, and eventually you can upgrade to VIP once you see how well the system works. Because obviously, if it's getting you leads, a percentage of those leads will also convert into sales. It's just simple math. So it's a no-brainer to eventually upgrade as soon as you're able, or as soon as you're comfortable with the system and ready to do so. But meanwhile, you can absolutely be getting leads and building your email list and still be making money 100%. So both free members and VIP members can profit and make money with 5-figure day very simply. Now, moving on to a couple final things I want to cover in this video. One is how the system works. So let's quickly walk through one of your 5-figure day funnels here. And just to preface this, even if you don't understand any of what I'm about to say, you can still make money with the system. It's not crucial that you know how it works, but it's just kind of cool to know, how the system works. If you can kind of, follow along with what I'm saying, maybe you can explain it to other people who are interested in joining, or to your email list, the people who have joined your list through 5-figure day, whatever, that it can come in handy. So the first page of your funnels is a squeeze page, as you'll see here. Nothing too out of the ordinary here. Your visitor will join your list on this page and be auto-forwarded, forwarded to the next page of your funnel, the second page of your funnel. Now, the second page is what we call a double squeeze page. This is a special page and not something you see in other online funnels. And each of your 5-figure day funnels has this page embedded into it between the first and third page of each funnel. Now, when your visitors land on this page, there are a couple things that happen, 2 things that happen. They are first presented with the option to join the light, aka free version of 5-figure day. And the free version, as I kind of talked about earlier, has full list building and email income earning capability, but lacks the feature of being able to also earn commissions on the products built into each of your 5-figure day funnels. So as I was just saying, free members can also make money 100%, just not to the same level as VIP members. Now, in addition to automatically generating a free version 5-figure day membership for the visitor, this double squeeze page also subscribes the visitor to a second email list. Now, this second email list is the email list of the person who referred you to 5-figure day, or to another member who joined prior to you if nobody referred you, directly. And what makes this so powerful is that as you refer other people, through your funnels, your 5-figure day member ID and your list information is hard-coded into the double squeeze pages of your referrals, so into the funnels of your referrals, the 5-figure day funnels that belong to your referrals, because everybody receives a quantity of 5-figure day funnels. Now, in other words, your information goes into each double squeeze page into each of their 5 funnels. So that means that you will literally be getting a copy of up to 100% of all of the visitors and email leads that your referrals get on literal autopilot. So for example, let's say that you refer 5-Figure Day free version member Bob, we'll call him Bob, and Bob refers, let's say, 1,000 people into 5-Figure Day his first 30 days. Now that's up to 1,000 people added to your email list as well as Bob's on literal autopilot. And that's just from one of the hundreds or even thousands of people that you could refer into 5-Figure Day or invite into 5-Figure Day through any one or more of your own 5-Figure Day funnels. But the magic doesn't end with the leads alone. If you're a VIP member, it is your affiliate link that also gets hard-coded into the third and final page here, which is the product offer page into each funnel. Each of the funnels of your free version 5-Figure Day member referrals, the people you've referred in for free. So again, let's say you refer free member Bob, good old Bob again, the same dude who just sent you 1,000 leads on autopilot. Now each of those 1,000 people, or at least the vast majority of them, will be landing on Bob's offer page, the third page in his 5-Figure Day funnel of choice, meaning whatever 5-Figure Day funnel he's promoting at that point. So let's say just 5% of those 1,000 people order and pay $50 on average on a 50% commission offer, so $25 commission. Now doing the math, that's $1,250, $1,250 in actual autopilot commissions sent into your account, since you're the VIP member with your affiliate link hard-coded into free member Bob's funnels. Now Bob is happy because he's still building a list and making money with his email list for free, and with all the free websites that he gets, the 5 websites that he gets with 5-Figure Day and the full system access for free. And he's, by the way, Bob as a free member is also able to get autopilot leads from his referrals in the same way that you are, and you are obviously happy because you're getting unlimited leads and commissions all on autopilot from the work of Bob, from your, in other words, from your 5-Figure Day free version members, from the free members that you refer, from your entire member referral base. And the bigger your free referral base grows, the more autopilot leads and income you stand to make. Now, the whole system that I just described for you is what we call our auto forwarding system, or auto forwarding software, since the software running behind the scenes of each of your 5-Figure Day funnels literally forwards leads into your account, and if you're a VIP member, also forwards commissions into your account on actual autopilot. So yeah, of course you have to take action still, as with anything else online, to jumpstart your autopilot results via our auto forwarding system, since your autopilot results stem directly from your referral base. But the beauty of the system is that you're not selling anything. You're not selling anything. I should emphasize selling, because you're not doing any of that. You are simply giving away free 5-Figure Day systems to other people. And you're doing this simply by sharing your 5-Figure Day funnel links with other people via email or on social media, whatever. And that brings me to the final thing I wanted to cover in this video, which is your 5-Figure Day tutorial. Now, the tutorial you'll find as you scroll down your member homepage. It's not posted yet, since, as mentioned, I'm creating this training video prior to our launch. But by the time you're here inside your member area, you'll see the full training section here in this area, including my recommended traffic methods, meaning the methods you'll want to use to share your 5-Figure Day funnel links with other people online to grow your 5-Figure Day referral network and jumpstart your autopilot commissions. And you'll also find links directly to traffic sources that you can use, sources that coincide with, obviously, with my recommended traffic methods. And then finally, you'll also find ready-made ads that you can use to help share your 5-Figure Day funnels with others online. Since obviously just posting your funnel link won't be very effective. Nobody will know what that link is for, what it's doing there, wherever you post it. So you'll have images and email ads that you can post along with your 5-Figure Day funnel links to help you invite other people into 5-Figure Day for free and grow your 5-Figure Day referral network or member base. So in answer to the question that I get asked most often, how do you get started? You get started by completing the setup that I just talked about earlier in the video. Those 2 elements, the affiliate link setup if you're a VIP member, and then connecting to an autoresponder, which is optional. And then by following the traffic tutorial here, by following the tutorial here that you'll see in this section to begin sharing your 5-figure day funnel links of choice with other people online. And you'll first begin getting direct results in the form of leads and income, and you'll then begin, that'll be followed by autopilot results, which are the results that will come in as you begin referring others, so the results that they generate for you as they take action. Now this is an awesome system and one of the few that you can actually make serious money with as you take action with it. So congratulations on making the smart decision to join. If you've never made money online, or maybe you're already successful and are here to simply make more money, you're in the right place either way. So thanks for joining, and I look forward to sharing in the success of 5-figure day with you.